Nimbus Majora. A gas giant of truly stupendous proportions, its atmosphere a swirling kaleidoscope of hues, dominated by vast, fluffy clouds that resembled nothing so much as giant, slightly sticky wads of cotton candy. Unusually, and against all sensible advice, the upper atmosphere plays host to a collection of vast, artificially stabilized skylands. Home to thriving metropolises connected by a chaotic network of flying vehicles, often piloted by individuals with a questionable grasp of basic aerodynamics. Dominating the skyline of one such island is the slightly iridescent spire of Contemplative Flora, a testament to the boundless ambition and occasional utter lack of foresight of its creators. It was within the artificial heart of one such island that our story begins. The air hung heavy with the scent of ionized mist, and the faint, almost apologetic hum of the island's anti-grav generators. Here, within the artificial heart of this improbable landmass, lay a cenote. Not your average sinkhole, mind you. Its depths concealing not merely water, but also a rather haphazard collection of cultural artifacts. For our purposes, it served as a rather dramatic entrance to the slightly iridescent spire of Contemplative Flora. Its shimmering glass dome accessible through the cavern's mist-weaved opening, promising a journey from the depths of cultural bewilderment to the heights of botanical contemplation. And possibly a decent cup of tea.